What is going on, fellow fans, and welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into this magnificent sounding demo, I wanted to point out an addition to the home theater that helps improve the sound. No, I'm not talking about any equipment, but what I am talking about is acoustic treatment. I have treated my ceiling with these very easy to install acoustic sound absorbent panels, peel and stick essentially. Very cheap. I highly recommend them. I noticed the sound difference immediately after installing them. I've pointed out the kit that I bought from Sweetwater. That's all the black panels. That big gray one in the corner, I made that one. Even this curtain is sound absorbent. That big panel right there, I made that and made another one over here. But all the acoustic treatment that you can add to your home theater is going to help improve the sound of your speakers, because you're hearing direct sound from the speakers as opposed to hearing reflective sound. Sound is going to bounce all over the place. Any hard surfaces, whether it's on the walls, whether it's the floor, the ceiling, the more acoustic treatment that you can put in your room, the better the sound is going to be, because you're going to hear direct sound. So again, I highly recommend these. I noticed the difference immediately after installing them. They're like $30 for a pack of 12. I ended up putting on my ceiling, I ended up buying about 6 packs, and I treated my entire space. And like I say, it definitely does help. You know, every bit helps. So, you know, being able to get a really good sounding home theater to sound even better, you know, just squeezing that little every bit more, you know, makes it so much more enjoyable. So yeah, with that being said, check the description for the link, and let's get into a demo.
I don't know how else to say this. I'm a beekeeper.
Wait, a beekeeper?
As in?
Well, that's not good.
No, it's not.
What's the body count?
7 today.
You busy making funeral arrangements?
I need help, Janet, not jokes.
Is that Garnett?
She was strapped to a pickup. Check this out.
Does this mean you've taken pity on an old man?
So your problem? He's retired from the program. No longer active.
Well, that changes everything.
The current active beekeeper is aware of the issue and is going to be taking things from here. You can rest easy, old friend.
Oh no, Janet. The current active beekeeper is a fucking lunatic who should have been removed months ago. God help us now.
Excuse me.
No problem.
You've been a busy bee. You're supposed to be retired.
I'm assuming you're my replacement. I need your keys.